last sprint, we had seen that we can use code real time for creating some parts of our application and then build them into a library and then use this library in model real time. So in this sprint, we have some improvements done in this integration use cases. So one of it, which is that with respect to the R to UML model conversion that we have. So basically this converted model that we can see here. So it represents the contents of art file, and this is important for using the art elements in model real-time model as if they were all defined in the model itself. So this conversion was earlier happening only when expanding the Project Explorer. It was kind of bound to the UI action. So now this is not the case. It happens on model loading. So with this improvement, it basically helps in the seamless working with the integration use cases without any limitations that we earlier had due to this. So the next improvement is with the R protocol inheritance support. So when we have protocols defined in art, like this, where one protocol is extending from another protocol. So as you can see here, art control child is extending from base. We have some events defined in the base protocol and some events are defined in the derived protocol. So when there was such a configuration in the converted model that, which basically represents the content of art file, the inheritance information was earlier not converted, because of which the inherited events were not visible in the derived protocol. So now this is handled, and we can see that when I just check the light control child protocol, there is this in the converted model, it clearly indicates that this protocol is extending from the base protocol. And then when I just check the events, the green, which is basically inherited event, is visible in the derived protocol. And this is also available for configuration. So let me just try to create a port which is typed by this protocol. This is an art protocol. So let me try to create a port which is typed by the art protocol, and we'll try to configure the trigger for this. And when I try to configure the triggers, so we can see that green, which is basically an inherited event, is visible and it's available for configuration. So this is the improvement we've done in the protocol inheritance support. So with all these improvements, we have decided that we will remove the textual state machine support. So it's removed this sprint. And since the art file support is like a superset of what actually could be done using the textual state machines. So this is the reason this feature has now replaced the textual state machines. So yeah, before moving on to the next demo, any questions so far? Okay, so if there are no questions, so we shall just look into the next demo, which is with respect to the script that we now have developed. So we now have a script for automatic testing, which is basically useful for the target RTS regression testing. So yeah, so this is the Git repo where we have all the code real-time samples and tests that we have. So using the script, which basically would be available, published publicly during the next sprint. So using that script, we would be able to test the art integration support. So each of the test projects that we can see here in the code real-time Git repo. So these test projects can be used as library, and the script would be creating a corresponding model real-time project with the RTC having with the TC having the RTC as its prerequisite as a library, and then there would be a top capsule which has a part typed by an art capsule. So with this configuration, all would be automatically generated by the script and then built. So when it's built, the art compiler would be automatically invoked by the model compiler, and then we would have the executable built and tested. So I have rerun the integration test now, and you can see that the test results would be populated as shown here. So this, as mentioned, this would be useful for the target RTS regression testing, and it would be available from next sprint onwards. So yeah, that's all I had for today. So any questions?